Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. What is FTIR analysis? FTIR stands for Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. It is a technique used to analyze the molecular vibrations of a sample by observing how it absorbs infrared light. Here are some common uses of FTIR. Chemical analysis. Identification of functional groups. FTIR is widely used to identify functional groups in organic and inorganic compounds. Different functional groups absorb infrared radiation at characteristic frequencies, allowing researchers to identify the chemical composition of a sample. Quantitative analysis. FTIR can be used for quantitative analysis of the concentration of specific components in a mixture, such as determining the amount of a particular substance in a sample. Material characterization. Polymer analysis. FTIR is commonly employed in the analysis of polymers to identify polymer types, assess their degree of crystallinity, and monitor chemical changes during polymerization processes. Quality control. Industries use FTIR for quality control of materials, ensuring consistency in manufacturing processes and identifying any deviations or impurities. As you look in the picture, this is an FTIR setup. This model is IR Tracer 100 spectrophotometer. It offers high sensitivity. In this figure, you see QATR10. It is a single reflection ATR accessory with a diamond crystal and designed especially for the IR Tracer 100. To operate the FTIR instrument, ensure that the Lab Solutions software is installed on your desktop computer. Locate and double-click on the Lab Solutions software icon to launch the application. Once the software is opened, ensure that the FTIR instrument, specifically the IR Tracer 100, is properly connected and recognized by the software. Within the Lab Solutions software interface, click on the Instrument tab located at the top left corner. On the right-hand side of the interface, you will find an option labeled Desktop Instrument. Double-click on this option. Upon double-clicking, a new window will appear. Within this window, locate and select the spectrum option from the available measurement programs. Again, new window open, then you have to click on Instrument and right-click on Connect, as shown in figure. On the right side of this, you see a window where you can change parameters such as scan rate. You can change it according to your sample requirement. After changing the scan rate, you have to take background at the same scan rate. As shown in figure, you have to set the instrument without any sample pellet set. On Spectrum desktop window, where you set the scan rate, you can see 3 green option on left side name as BKG Scan, Sample Scan and Monitor. Then click on BKG Scan, which is shown in figure by red square. After that background scan, run at the same scan rate you set for your sample, and it will take 3 to 5 minutes depend on your scan rate. When the background scan completed, this type of window open, where you can see background data. After completing the background scan, you can start scanning the sample by putting sample pellet, as shown in figure. Before click on Sample Scan, you have to save file by sample name. Click on Sample Scan. Sample scan completed, and you have to save it again by click on Export.